Good evening, guys. This is Andy here at Simply Timing. This is going to be our video to show you who's going to win our door prizes for our virtual race that we did last weekend on May 15th, May 18th. If you were able to run, it was $15 to run. All proceeds went right to charity. We had 63 runners, made just shy of $1,000 to donate to charities. And those charities will have their checks written out here in the next couple of days, and they'll be receiving them. So whatever charity you ran for, you were giving $15 for that charity for running. And we said as part of the bonus, besides getting some PD Grand Prix points, that we were going to award some Fleet Feet gift cards of 100, 50, and 50. And so how we're going to do this, to show you, we are going to take this list here. These are all the runners who meet the standards. To qualify for the gift cards, you had to sign up, obviously, and then you had to run and enter your time in online. So these are all the people who enter their time in online. And you could have run multiple races. We had a lot of people run 2 races, a 5K and a 10K. A couple people ran 2 5Ks. It was totally up to you. You could have ran more if you wanted to, but the PD Grand Prix points maxed out at 2 of them. But it would have increased your chances here. So someone could technically, if they ran 2 races, win 2 gift cards if their name is actually going to be at the top. So what we're going to do, I'm going to highlight this list, and then I'm going to go over to what's called random.org, and I'm going to hit the dice roller here. It's time stamped when I hit it. So whatever number rolls when I hit the roll, it could say, 7, 2, 12, whatever it is. I will then randomize the list that I'm going to enter in here. So that list we saw in the Excel spreadsheet is going to be carried over to the random.org list, and then you'll actually see which race got you the prizes. So it could say, Lisa R 5K or, Lisa G 10K, shows you which one of your registrations got it. Again, you can win multiple. If you were the number 1 at the list, number 3, you could win 2 different gift cards. And what we're going to do is, if you're the number 1 person on the list at the end of however many times that this dice roller here tells us to roll, you're going to get a $100 gift card. If you're number 2, you'll get a $50 gift card, and if you're number 3, you'll get another $50 gift card. If you're 4 or below, unfortunately, we don't have that many gift cards to give out. We just appreciate you taking part in this first endeavor of ours to help try to give back in this very different times. Okay, so again, we're going to paste the list here. We'll get you the number that will roll or randomize the list. So say for right now, it would say 5. We'd hit this randomize button 5 times, and then the top 3 will get their gift cards, and we'll contact you and mail them out so that you know. Or you can contact us, either one. Okay, so that's going to be the process. Kind of walk you through it. Hopefully it's understandable, but we'll get going here. So again, first, we want to highlight this list. These are all the runners who meet the qualifications. It means that you registered and that you actually ran the time and entered their time online when you're supposed to do so. We're going to copy that list over. We're going to go to the random.org, and here's that list. Okay, and we see again, I'll go up slow. You can see that this is the same list that we had before. You might have a little spacing here. The spacing will not affect the random list. So there's everyone who registered. Okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to hit this dice roller here. So we're going to hit roll again. Let's see what we get for the number. Number is 8. It says 143. That's not, well, for there, the 943, so that, we're matching the timestamp. So what we're going to do here, we're going to hit this randomize button 8 times. And after the 8th time, the top 3 people will receive a gift card. Okay, so if you see your name at the top of number 5, that doesn't mean you won. Again, it has to be on the 8th one. So here we go. We're going to hit 1. Here's the first one. There's our 46 names in order. We're going to do 2. Just keep going. Here's 3. Again, every time we scroll down, you can see that there's a timestamp that is put on it. Here's 4. Also, it shows us the number down here as well. Here's 5. 6. A little repetitive now. 7. And the last one, top 3, here we go. Good luck. And here's 8. And the winners are going to be Cecily Lilly is going to get $100. Josh Haney is going to get $50, and Cody Freeman is going to get $50. So I'm going to save this list here. And so we make sure we have it. We don't want to lose this, that's for sure. But again, that's going to be our top winners. Oops, I don't want to do that. I'll just take a picture of it, make sure we get it. But again, guys, we thank you for doing this. I know that a lot of you are probably still unable to race. We're looking at hopefully end of June, beginning of July to start actually timing races again. To see some of you, we're so used to seeing a lot of you every weekend. We haven't seen a lot of people in 3 months, and hopefully we can get back at it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. But again, guys, I appreciate you taking part in this charity race. Again, all your money that you use to register is going to those charities. So thank you very much. And we hope to see you guys soon. Please stay safe and happy running. Take care, guys.